My name is Brian Bertudazo Biol. I am the CEO and founder of Brybio Construction, Heavy Equipment Rental, and Aggregate Supply. My story with my FAO G6P dump truck began when my goal as a businessman was no longer to gain merely, but more than anything else, to contribute something more significant, bringing forth development in my community. As my goal got bigger, I also needed bigger, better, more excellent equipment to help me achieve that. I searched, and thanks to the Golden's Dynasty Motors, I found what I've been looking for, the FAO G6P dump truck. The large capacity in the high power engine of the FAO G6P dump truck and everything that makes it as powerful as it is have allowed us to deliver a larger volume of sand and gravel to our clients efficiently. These expedited developments, such as better roads for faster transportation, more commercial buildings for more employment, and quality housing for a quality life, accelerating the progress not just in my life, but most importantly in the whole community. I believe that I am here to do great things, and like me, my FAO G6P dump truck are also built to build greater things. Both we create wealth and drive the future. I am Brian Bertudazo Biol, and I am the CEO and founder of Brybio Construction, Heavy Equipment Rental, and Aggregate Supply, and this is the story about me and my FAO.